Today at Loza Kitchen, we will cook our version of Levantine Fahita. It is simple, quick, and easy to make. For the ingredients, we need quarter teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 spicy fresh green chili, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon butter, it is optional, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half cup cucumber pickle. Of course, we will need half kilogram beef strips, 2 cups of onion cut into small pieces, 3/4 will be used in the making process and 1/4 will be used in the sandwich. We start with melting some butter and adding some vegetable oil and finally pouring in the chopped onions. We keep stirring until little cooked. Then we add the beef strips until it is ready. We add the green chili. Then we add the garlic. And we keep stirring it. We add some salt and some black pepper.